In the world of custom manufacturing, everything starts with an estimate. It sets expectations, shapes pricing, and lays the groundwork for profitability. Most companies rely on spreadsheets to manage estimates, causing delays and inaccuracies that result in lost time, money, and credibility. Acumatica's manufacturing estimating application streamlines the process, helping you respond faster, quote more accurately, and stay competitive, so you can win more jobs and deliver quality, custom products with confidence. When it comes to quoting, speed really does make a difference. Instead of starting from scratch, you can copy existing estimates. That means you can put together new estimates in minutes. You can fine-tune costs, apply markups, and build out pricing for different quantities, all without slowing down. It's a flexible, real-world approach that aligns with the way manufacturers actually operate. You can modify any part of the estimate. For example, drill into the assembly operation to make changes. Maybe setup time drops to just 30 minutes. Add, delete, or edit materials, tooling, overhead, or outside processes. This estimate, for instance, may need more material. Notice that you can override the markup percentage for any of the varied cost elements on the estimate. Boost sales by offering price breaks for bulk orders. The system will automatically calculate the price per unit, amortizing one-time costs, such as setup, across quantities to achieve lower prices. You may also manually set margins or adjust unit prices for each quantity price break. Sell more with Acumatica's embedded CRM. Once your estimate is finalized, quickly create and send quotes directly to your customer. Integration with e-signature apps streamlines the approval process. Convert accepted quotes to sales orders, create production orders from the estimate, and link them to the sales order. Everything stays connected, from the initial estimate to delivery, providing full transparency across related documents. It's a smooth, end-to-end process that keeps your team aligned and your customers satisfied. Acumatica's estimating module offers flexibility to tailor settings for greater accuracy and consistency. Set default item classes, lead times, and markup percentages to match your business needs. You can also manage revision tracking, define default work centers, and fine-tune other key parameters. These operations streamline estimating and reduce manual input, creating a solid foundation for reliable cost forecasting. Every estimate tells a story, and with the right tools, it becomes a strategy. Acumatica gives you the visibility to track and refine estimates with confidence. From win rates to actual cost comparisons, it's all there. You can convert estimates to production, work without stock items, quote in multiple currencies, round pricing, link to projects, and even connect with CAD applications. These tools sharpen pricing, project margins, and help you win more deals. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration.